Gail with Gail's Hidden Creations. Today we're at an estate sale setting up on Del Lago. You're going to check my website for dates and the time, www.gailshiddencreations.com, for this estate sale. Beautiful display case that includes Llladros, miniatures, Heron pottery, Dresden ballerina, Ethan Allan furniture. We're still setting up. This is a downsizing estate sale. I want to apologize in advance. There was some things that she had listed in the listing that she's decided to keep. This entertainment center is available, the big screen TV, upholstered chair, stacking tables. She has a lot of Asian decor, the barware, gilded barware, decanters. Out back by the pool, there's a beautiful patio set with table, 4 chairs, cushions. There's even a patio cover, Lazy Susan, tree, pots, topiaries, a leaf, a framed leaf, decor. Beautiful plants, metal art, sun and moon ceramics. We've got a smoker underneath here with the cover. You can check out, they've got several smokers at this sale. Keep that covered up. There's a ceramic double table set. The chair she is keeping that chair. Wind chimes. There's a real nice selection of wind chimes. Sun, quail, a few pieces of statuary, a frog, pedestal, angel, rabbit, a couple of rabbits. The side of the house, you're going to go through the gate. There's metal art. Of course, the neighbor's dog might be barking at you, but he's on the other side of the fence, so no worries there. Butterfly, sunflower, tulip. Sunflower with butterfly. Succulents, jade plant. She's taken very good care of these plants. So we'd like to see them go to a great home. In the garage, you're going to find some fishing poles, fishing net, bass boat seats. You'll want to check the website for more information. There's Christmas items in the house, vintage electronics. This is another smoker. You can visit our website, www.gailshiddencreations, for date and time, and we look forward to seeing you at the sale. At the Del Lago sale, a few of the items were removed, and graciously the owner has let us bring some of the things that we were going to have at another sale over to her sale. This sale had restrictions. This table, so I wanted to show you some of these items. This table has 3 leaves. It's an oak table, 4 chairs, it's older style. There's a picture on the wall here, the ocean. It is signed. The wine rack, we've got a little wine rack. Of course, the wine is not included. This piece is very nice. It is actually 2 pieces. You've got the bookcase up at front and a desk. It has a key that locks. The key also locks the glass doors on top. You've got desk, cubby hole, have your stuff stored in, and drawer space on the bottom. your desk stuff there. It is dovetailed. You could tell it's built really well. This is a very nice computer cabinet. You'll want to notice the back has a cutout in it. You can put your items that you want to store there. Also, I guess it doesn't slide out. Doors down here open up. That does slide out. There's a leather camel. Everybody needs one of those. Elephant vase, clock, small writing desk, chest, cabinet with a couple drawers and cabinet at the bottom. From the living room, we're going to be selling the leather couch. Now the leather couch, we're trying to not move over there. So if you want to contact me ahead of time, I'm also going to list it online, which I don't usually do, but because this is a special circumstance, and we're having to move all this furniture, this is one item that I don't want to move. It's got rivets, it's brown leather, very well built, hardly used. There's two matching end tables. We have one of these. It's got like a marbly inserts that are very nice. A large vase. Bombay table. These oriental screens, folding picture. Buddha. Chinese decorative plates.